show with that basket weave. It's a really nice option, but now you're getting a 5-quart, one of the biggest bowls offered from Temp-tations. So you'll get the salad bowl and the 2 servers under $40 on a featured price, and the easy pay is under $8 a month because it's easy pay days. Can I get a whoop whoop?
Raise the roof in your silicone gloves.
I can't get rid of these gloves.
Aren't they great?
Arrived, by the way. This is the final order of the year. It's a really popular item at $18 and change. So check out the gloves if you missed that presentation. But now we're talking salads. H217837. But Tara doesn't like to just do salads. She'll probably plant an entire garden in here.
Ooh, that's a great idea. I still can't think of that term.
Succulents.
That was it. Yes. We're like green grass, making it up. Okay, so one of the largest bowls that we offer in our basket weave. So we started the show with basket weave with that gorgeous pie plate, and now we have basket weave in truly one of our beautiful serving bowls. So here's the technique behind basket weave. You have that gorgeous basket detail with that tea stain on top of it. Then you have the layer or applique again of that floral lace detail or old world on top of that and hand painted. And then you have the beading that gets brushed around the edges and the painting on the inside. So there's so many different accents and techniques that go into basket weave in our multi-mold process. It's truly stunning. It's beautiful. It's oversized. And then the mixed material of that stainless steel and the ceramic accent handles just make this an absolute home run.
And you don't have to baby
it. You never have to worry about it.
And that's why all those details should cost you $64. We have it under $40 in all of these beautiful colors. So start collecting if you're a new collector like Cynthia this morning, or you're just looking for something new to add to your collection.
All right, so we have our floral lace in the blue. Then we have green, and if we could kind of shoot from the side, that might be easier for you to see the color. Awesome, thank you so much. There's your green, and then beneath there is our eggplant. So if you're new to basket weave, this is such a great way to jump in. It matches perfectly back to your traditional old world and floral lace, and it's great to start with a bowl. Here's your red, there's your cranberry, and beneath there is, of course, that light blue. That is so beautiful, that robin's egg blue.
Yeah, love that.
There you can truly see all the variations, all the brush strokes that go into it. At the very end, we have your black, we have your spice, and we have your chocolate. Here's your old world. So again, nice, oversized, beautiful bowl. Here we're starting with confetti, my favorite. And then, of course, your green. Remember, your tools will match back. Here's your cranberry and red. There's your blue and your eggplant. And at the very end, we have your spice black and your brown.
Trick question, what is the opposite of a salad?
A what?
A cake.
Oh.
It was a trick question.
I like your trick question.
This is
a bowl cake.
A bowl cake?
Wait, look at our deep dish pizza.
Hold on. So that's why it's not just salad.
Exactly.
This is a pizza?
And
did
you say we were going to plant a whole garden? Because we did.
Just saying. I actually learned that from a gardener.
Succulents.
Yes, they said to use a shallow bowl like that to get your succulent garden going, and just keep it in the kitchen and keep your houseplants in the home. Oh, I like what you did here. So
yes,
did you use the little ramekins from the set earlier in the show?
We did. Yeah. So
these
are 8 ounces. We put them right on ice. That's one of the things I haven't shown you, although there's been a few times. You can put ice in the bottom and then, of course, put something on top, and that'll stay nice and cold throughout the meal. Yes.
Yeah, love it. Okay, $64 is your comparable retail value. You're getting the salad bowl, and then you're getting the tongs as well. So a great server, or if you're actually doing a traditional salad, get on in there with these. It's $39.96, which is fabulous. Or for the very first time, you have 5 easy payments of $7.99. H217837. Just choose Old World or Floral.
And I wanted to show you, I grabbed actually the plate from our soup and sandwich just to show you. Here's your traditional floral lace, and then here's how it translates with the basket weave. Look how beautiful those coordinate together.
And it's important in fashion, and especially in the home, to mix and match and not to always be so matchy-matchy.
Right.
So when you get an opportunity to get those different textures and interest on the table, it's lovely.
Yes.
Thank you so much for bringing this in. We have time for just one more item.
Yay.
Oh my goodness, this time is flying. Again, don't forget about the gloves, because it's a hot pick on
You're
the
waving
day.
bye.
More than
bye.
1,500 orders have been placed, and this is the final order of the year on the gloves.
We will not do this set as is again.